Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show how you can actually rescan your Dstv Explora Decoder. Maybe the channels are not what you expected on your package and some of the channels are missing, and you prefer to scan to actually get all the channels on the package. Okay, so all you got to do is to press on the blue logo, that's the Dstv logo, on your remote, and use the arrow left and right keys to look for settings. And when you come here, you come down to the satellite settings, and then you come to the first option, you press OK on it, and you press OK on the home network, and you need to select the scan all option right here. You press OK on it, and then you wait for the scanning to actually complete to get your channels working. Alright, but I have to make sure that the channels that you are looking for have to be part of your package. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.